Page number 115. Let's continue. So, we seen so far that Rip was in a desolate or despair mood. Now let's read. He saw a strange figure slowly coming up the rocks. So, he saw a strange figure. He carried something heavy on his back. So the strange man, was carrying something on his back. Coming closer, Rip saw a short old man with thick bushy hair and a beard. So when Rip came forward, he found that the man was short and he has a bushy hair. That means a a deep hair and a beard. তো এই জট পাকানো জটার মতো হেয়ার আর কি বিয়ার্ড. হি মেড সাইন্স ফর রিপ টু অ্যাসিস্ট হিম উইথ দ্য লোড. সো হি beckoned Rip to assist him or unload his load. Always helpful, Rip did so. Rip helped the strange man. They came to a round hollow surrounded by trees. So they came to a hollow area. Hollow area মানে একটু নিচু এরিয়া, চারপাশটা ঘেরা আছে গাছ দিয়ে. On a level spot in the center, he saw a most unusual crowd of people playing at nine pins. Then he saw that some people are playing nine pins. They looked peculiar. So they looked like queer, peculiar, অদ্ভুত টাইপের. Peculiar means queer. One had a large head, broad face and small piggish eyes. The face of another seemed to consist entirely of nose. তো কারোর মুখটা বড় আবার চোখগুলো ছোট পিগের মতো. কারোর আবার কি বলছে দেখ, পুরো মুখটাই যেন নোজ মনে হচ্ছে, যেন মনে হচ্ছে ওখানে মুখটুক কিছু নেই, মানে এতই মুখটা চ্যাপ্টা. They all had beards. So everyone had beards of various shapes and colors. They were enjoying themselves. So they are enjoying themselves. It seems to Rip that they were enjoying themselves, yet are silent. So it's a queer or rather peculiar enjoyment where everyone is silent. They looked at Rip with fixed statue-like gaze. So when they saw Rip, they fixed their gaze. His companion, it seemed, was carrying some liquid in a keg on his back. So his companion carried something on his back. This was unloaded, and everyone drank from the keg. Rip was fearful at first. So when the strange man's friend unloaded, then everyone drank from the keg. Rip was at first fearful. After a while his fear subsided. Subsided মানে চলে গেল, disappeared হয়ে গেল. Feeling thirsty, he had several drinks himself. So Rip also drank. Slowly his eyes closed. He fell into a deep sleep. So Rip fell into a deep sleep. On waking, he found himself on the high hill where he had first seen the old man. So after drinking from the cave, Rip also transported in the land of sleep. অর্থাৎ ওই কেক থেকে খাওয়ার পর রিপো ওই ওয়ার্ল্ডে চলে গিয়েছিল. Next what happened? On waking, he found himself on the high hill where he had first seen the old man. So he found himself in the same place where he had found the old man. It was a bright sunny morning. The birds were twittering among the bushes. So it was a bright sunny morning and the birds were singing. Surely, thought Rip, I have not slept here all night. So Rip was doubting that if he had slept there all night. He whistled for Wolf. So he called his dog Wolf, but no dog was to be seen. There was no dog. He decided to visit the scene of last evening. So he decided to see the place of last evening. When he reached the spot, he was surprised to see that a mountain stream was now flowing through it. So, when he reached the place previously, he found that it was a hollow surrounded by trees, and in a playing spot there were some people who were playing nine pins. But now he found that there was flowing a mountain stream. What was to be done? কি হবে তাহলে? রিপ এটা ভাবছে। The morning was passing away. The poor Rip was hungry. তো সকালটা চলে গেল, সকালে ঘুম ভাঙলো কিন্তু সকালটা চলে যাচ্ছিল, আর রিপও তো হাংরি ছিল। He shook his head and went homeward. Then he gave himself a jerk and started his journey to homeward. Okay. Next para. As he came near his village, he met many people he had never seen before. So when he came near his village, the scenario was different. This surprised him. এটা তাকে পুরো অবাক করে দিল। As he thought he knew everyone around his village. Because he knew everyone in his village. They all stared at him. Stared means looked. Okay, looked surprisingly. With surprise. So সবাই তার দিকে এক দৃষ্টে তাকিয়ে আছে অবাক হয়ে। রিপ suddenly noticed that his beard had grown a foot long. এতক্ষণ রিপ খেয়াল করেনি, এবার দেখছি ওর বিয়ারটা প্রায় 1 ফুট লম্বা হয়ে গেছে। He saw his village was now larger. এখন বড় হয়ে গেছে। With more people. অনেক লোক আছে। There were rows of houses. অনেক বাড়ির রো আছে। Which he had never seen before. যেটা ও কোনোদিন দেখেনি আগে। Strange names were over the doors, so the nameplates were different. He found his own house was empty and in ruins. নিজের বাড়ির কাছে গিয়ে দেখলো পুরো ফাঁকা হয়ে গেছে আর রুইনে চলে গেছে, মানে ধ্বংস হয়ে গেছে। Ruins means destroyed. He called loudly for his wife and children. Then he called his wife and children. All was silent because the house was in ruins and there was nobody. The village inn was gone. There was no village inn. So everything had changed in his village. They found that everything has changed in his village.